Hello everybody. So the purpose of this video is to actually compare or differentiate between vector image and raster image. So this is the question many of graphic designers or a person who is dealing with the images, he might have gone through this kind of terminology, which is vector and raster images. So in order to explain what is vector image, let me take this pen tool icon. So the vector images, you have points. Like if I draw one point, and if I draw the second point, the third one, and the fourth one. Now if my starting point and the ending point at the same point where it starts and where it ends, so it will create a shape. Now if you zoom into the vector image, you will see there is no pixels, right? Your image, I am not gonna say it an image because it's a shape. In vector data or in vector images, you will not see any kind of pixels. You will see points like this one, the first point where I start drawing this shape, and the second, the third, and the point where I end my anchor point is the last point, and it will create a shape. Now this shape is actually a vector shape. It's not an image, it's just a shape. Now if you see what I have drawn in this vector image, you will see the same thing. I have created shapes. Like if you see the door, I just started from this point and continue until I complete the whole cycle at the point where I have started. So it will create a shape. You will see there are multiple shapes which actually helps me create the whole image. Again, it's not an image, it's a shape which actually creates a final product. On the other hand, if you can see, the raster is an image where you will have multiple kind of pixel. If I zoom a little bit, you will see there are multiple pixels. Now these pixels actually are made up of colors of different color patterns or color palettes. These color palettes will actually make the whole image. You will see if I zoom in the golden part of this image, you will see clearly that these palettes are actually of different colors which are actually making an image. So again, in vector images you will have different kinds of points, and these points will actually make a shape, while on the other side you will actually have repeated pixels. These pixels will actually make an image, and these pixels are made up of different color palettes. So I think and I hope you will understand this concept, and thank you so much.